Pretty quick rendering. It's radio on.
Radio on.
Radio play FM.
Radio 1210 AM.
Did I do that right? Let's see. Share audio screen. Radio FM.
Radio select FM2.
Oh, okay. Radio play 106.7.
Radio 106.7 FM.
It's a match made in heaven.
Radio play CD.
Radio 880 AM.
Did I say that? Radio CD.
Radio seek.
You know what it is? CD play.
CD play.
Yeah, there we go. CD play track number 1.
CD play track 1.
Time, you know it's Vibes Cartel representing for the mighty King Courage. So me yourself to the time gunshot in mother for phrase like wisdom and knowledge.
What time is it?
It is 6:18 p.m.
Radio off.
Radio off.
Climate control auto.
Climate control automatic.
Passenger temperature 78.
Passenger temperature 78 degrees.
Climate control off.
Climate control off.
Pretty good for a V6, huh? Voice command help. Pretty much where they list all of the possible commands. Find nearest Acura dealership.
Air conditioner.
Wow. Find nearest Acura dealership.
Air conditioner.
Smart. Let's see. Maybe. Find nearest Honda dealership. There we go.
Now finding Honda dealers.
So apparently you have to be in the map setting. Put in destination.
Destination.
Places.
Select category, name, or phone number to input your place.
Category.
Which category?
Travel.
Please select the number of the correct subcategory in travel.
Down.
Please select the number of the correct subcategory from the list. Say next or previous to scroll pages.
Next. Next. Rental car agency. Whoops.
Please select the number of the...
Number 3.
Select the method to choose your place in rental car agent.
Distance to travel.
What would you like to set up?
Oh my god. Sort by distance to travel.
Please select the number of the correct place, or say nearest.
Next page.
How would you like to set...
What the f... Well... Yeah, it's kind of annoying when it doesn't really listen to you. Anyway, that's that. Main menu. Woo. Car's dirty. Yeah.